Dr. Rahman Naqvi is, I think, very special to almost everyone in 2019 because he gave us the first lecture on the first of our classes 4 years ago. And just meeting him in the corridor and he's like, "Kaisi ho beti," just makes my day each time.
डॉक्टर वकार सलीम बिल्कुल रोबोट जैसे हैं वो।
इनाम साहब, मैंने आपके साथ 2 साल लगातार पढ़ा है एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ योर क्लासेस हैव बीन ब्यूटीफुल। और आप जिस पैशन से पढ़ाते हैं, जिस जुनून से पढ़ाते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंस्पायरिंग एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू स्टे विद ऑल ऑफ अस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स। ऑल्सो थैंक यू फॉर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अस टू नूरजहां।
Dr. Umair, watch him. He helps a lot. Dr. Saleh is very nice. She gives you a detailed analysis. अगर आप उनसे कोई भी चीज़ डिस्कस करो, she helps you a lot. और Dr. Hassan Ali कह रही हो, Dr. Hassan Beg.
Dr. Waleed Zad is also a really great professor because he's just so passionate about what he's teaching. Last semester in sacred geographies, whenever he had something, whenever he had an important point to make, he would get up and he would start walking and would start jotting down things on the board. I think that's just so great when a professor is so passionate about what they're teaching.
डॉक्टर वकार, डॉक्टर उमेश टैक्सी, क्योंकि वो डायरेक्टली आंसर नहीं देते, लाइक आपको खुद आंसर ढूंढना पड़ता है, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक देम। फेवरेटिज्म करते, हाँ कह सकते हो फेवरेटिज्म करते हैं, मतलब लोगों की अपनी राय होती है। आई डोंट थिंक सो फेवरेटिज्म करते हैं। अगर आप मेहनत करोगे तो वो आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, और कुछ लोगों को बुरा लगता है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, लेकिन हर बंदे की अपनी राय होती है।
I never really took a course with Dr. Sabrin, but she was my practicum advisor and she would occasionally take SGP lectures also. So I think she's very energetic like that. She would, in the lectures also, she would be jumping around from one place to another, trying to make the class exciting and putting in lots and lots of effort. I think that's a great thing to have, and I think she's a wonderful professor like that.
So I like Dr. Ansar and Dr. Waqar because both of them have been mentor personality to me, and they have supported me in my tough times. And yeah, it was a good experience.
There is Dr. Waqar Salim. I like him because he has a unique sense of humor and he loves sarcasm and he has this sass attitude, and I really like it.
Dr. Asif Saab is one of those जिन्होंने मुझे उर्दू लिखना सिखाई है, to be really honest. And he's not just a professor, लेकिन he's a friend who would look at you and he would know that something is up and he would ask you कि बेटा क्या कुछ हुआ है या कुछ नहीं हुआ. He would have your back no matter what.
Sir Junaid is one of those teachers whose teaching methodology is one of the most distinguished one.
Haya Fatma Iqbal, because she's one of the first professors I had that actually pushes me to become a better filmmaker, documentary filmmaker specifically.
Hi Rama, you are one of the nicest, one of the most polite and accommodating teachers we have in CND. और मुझे theory वैसे समझ नहीं आती, but your classes have been one of the only theory classes में मुझे वाकई उनके सब कुछ समझ आता है, and you literally come to our level to teach us. And I think you literally saved my last semester by being my professor and being so accommodating. So thank you very much.
जो हैं वो यूसुफ किराई साहब है, जो कि शुरू से ही मेरे फेवरेट रहे हैं। इसकी वजह है क्योंकि वो जब एक्सप्लेन करते हैं तो काफ़ी उस चीज़ जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है उसमें खो जाता है।
Shahjamal is someone who was my advisor. In his very busy schedule, he always gave time for me, and he gave me tips and advices related to research, related to coursework. I am really thankful to Dr. Shahjamal. Thank you so much.
Dr. Asif साहब, because मुझे उर्दू का बहुत शौक़ था और आसिफ साहब ने जिस तरीके से मेरे उर्दू के शौक़ को इतना मोटिवेट किया, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया। और आई थिंक मैंने ये चीज़ और किसी इंस्ट्रक्टर में पाई नहीं जिससे मैं तक क्लोज हो सकता था।
Dr. Amir is one of those faculty members who really understand students and give you advice to the level of satisfaction.
Dr. Massimo is my favorite instructor in the sense that I took a course with him, Introduction to Political Philosophy. उसके अलावा मेरा इंटरेक्शन उनके साथ रहा in various areas, swimming, gym and basketball court, and I found him to be an all-rounder, which was pretty impressive.
अफराज साहब, मैं आपकी क्लासेस में तब से आ रही हूँ जब से मैंने उर्दू लेना स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया था, and I think you're one of the best professors that I've ever met in my life.
Dr. Hassan Beg, Jawad Fareed and Yusuf Kirai. Hassan Beg because he has a great teaching method. He teaches so well in class that we don't need to memorize things at home. Dr. Jawad, he's not a doctor. Jawad Fareed because he makes you explore things from a wider angle, and he tells you how to speak to other people. Thirdly, Yusuf Kirai, he brought a new perspective of mathematics in my educational career. So now I can teach the way he can teach. So I just take things from his teachings and I teach my students too.
Dr. Ishaq Magra, I think even after 30 years from now on, you're one professor who will always remain that ideal personality for me. I would like to say thank you for all those amazing courses. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for always encouraging me. And yes, I owe you a lot.
Dr. Waqar Salim, and the reason is for his sassy answers in the binary. So whenever you ask a question from him, so it either responds in yes or no or that's the only response is yes. So I really like him, that he practices his computer science into common conversation as well.
So I took my first ever class with Aaron, and I think he's been my greatest mentor, and he's the one professor that I can just go and tell him, "Okay, hi Dr. Aaron, I just haven't said hi to you in a while," and I'm very glad that you've been part of my university life. Also, I hope you never lose your mojo, Dr. Aaron.
हम हंसाने लिए हैं और मतलब वो वैसे ओवरऑल बहुत जेनरस हैं और ग्रेडिंग भी बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, तो इसलिए वो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है.
Dr. Shehbaz, he is a very amazing individual who loves physics, and he shows you how amazing the physics is.
Dr. Hassan has been the nicest professor that I've had. I took him for modernity once, and I remember I went to his office and he's like, "Oh, how are you?" and everything's talking, and I'm like, "Dr. Hassan, you don't remember my name?" He's like, "Of course I do." So I asked him, "What's my name?" and he just went like this.
Dr. Aaron, no offense to the other teachers, but he just has that tendency to really help his students develop. And he was also like my first teacher. The first class I had on my first day, rhetoric and communication, was with him, and that experience has kind of stayed with me, although he's probably very annoyed with my lazy ass. Other teachers I love include like Dr. Harris, Dr. Javeri, and can I just say I love the teachers in the music room. They're also really cute too.
Dr. Anand, thank you for giving me Runway Radio की job. मेरे बहुत सारे खर्चे चलते हैं उससे. But I think Runway Radio has given me so much, and thank you for bringing Runway Radio in my life. Thank you for the playground, because I think my journey as a design thinker started from playground, and I would really like to thank you for promoting that at Habib University, and thank you for the radio initiative, because yes, you're the best.
Haya Fatima Iqbal. I love her because she's the coolest professor ever. You learn so much from her courses, and like she's the most amazing professor ever. Like when I'm not doing my assignments properly, I'm like feeling I'm disappointing my most favorite professor, and it's such a sad feeling.
Dr. Muiz, unlike his many amazing qualities, his most highlighting quality is that he's a very lenient teacher who understands students.
Dr. Shahid Hussain is a true facilitator. He lets students have some space to improve their learning experience, and not only just in classroom but outside as well. I think he can also be a good friend. Have not tried that yet, but I would like to.
I like Sir Madam Bilal because he's not only my thesis advisor, but he's also one of the few documentary filmmakers I've met, and his work is pretty inspiring.
Dr. Shama, I just want to say that I have never really taken a class from you, but when I needed the most help, you were there. And I just want to say that thank you so much for being there, and if I ever need help, I know that I'll be able to come to you.
I like Dr. Basit for the most common reason that everybody likes him. I have a big crush on him, and I can even talk like him. He is very chill and relaxed. He understands people and students.
I had my first interaction with Dr. Lewis when he taught me Islamic philosophy, and the most interesting man I've ever met. And one of the things that always resonates with me is one quote that he said: "Live your life like it's a poem." I am so lucky that I got to see him and I got to meet him, and it makes me so sad that I'm graduating, because when will I see you, Dr. Lewis? Numan Saab, can I just say that I miss your classes a lot. They were hilarious, fun, but full of learning. And I've learned so much from you as in capacity of a professor and as an individual. So thank you for your intellect and for having me in your classes.
Sir Tariq Mumtaz is one of those teachers, those instructors whose methodology of teaching is very distinguished.
Hello, Dr. Massimo. Even though our thesis draft is due today, but we still want to tell you that we love you very much. Yes, and we're very thankful for you. And if our thesis ends up getting completed and it's anything good, I think it's because of you.
My Garni's classes are like self-healing. She is, and her voice is like silk. It pours like honey. And to be in her classes is to be around the best meditative space.
Dr. Shahir Sheikh is one of the phenomenal teachers. He's one of those teachers who has the fatherly figure.
Hakeem Khan, he has a really great backstory in the sense that him working for Disney has been like a huge inspiration for a lot of us. So yeah.
Hi Haya, I speak for everyone when I say this, but you have been one of the best teachers we have had in CND. और आपके सारे स्टूडेंट्स आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा डरते हैं मगर सब उतने ही आप क्लासेस सीख के निकलते हैं और सब आपको बहुत पसंद करते हैं. मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी डिवोटी हूँ. मैंने आपकी सारी क्लासें ली हैं और अगर आगे मुझे मौका मिलता तो मैं और भी क्लासें लेती आपकी. थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग.
Marco is a really quiet person at times, but when you actually have conversations with him about films, he has a lot of knowledge about them, which is what I admire about him the most.
This is for Ma'am Tanveer Anjum. Ma'am, I just wanted to say that your presence in the room is very calming, and I really appreciate you for looking out for me every now and then and asking how am I doing, even while I was taking a course with you and even after it. So thanks a lot for your care. And yeah,
Dr. Sarsha has been the nicest and cutest professor that I've had, especially for having them for 3 consecutive semesters. And मैं उनसे सिर्फ यही कहूँगी कि डॉक्टर सार आपकी क्लास में एदो मज़ो आयो अच्छा बतायो कि एदो मज़ो आयो.
My favorite teacher is Dr. Ishtiaq Makda because जिस तरह वो पढ़ाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी टॉपिक वो पढ़ाते हैं वो इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि वो अपनी स्टडीज़ अपने एक्सप्लेनेशन में कोई गैप नहीं छोड़ते. और आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ प्रोफेसर, तो मैं उनके जैसा बनना चाहूँगा.